Growing up, we are taught many things by our parents, the media, and society. Among the teachings that are bashed into our head since day one are that we must be ambitious in life, set goals, make sacrifices in order to make it far in life, strive for perfection, reach for the stars, aim for autonomy at an early age, and never settle for less. This is all great advice because it motivates us by giving us that extra little oomph we need to make it through life. The problem is, we then make the hazardous mistake of relating the pursuit of these goals to the pursuit of happiness. The minute that your mind connects your happiness to the achievement of these goals, it gradually begins to transform your current state into one of negative emotions. You start to feel incomplete and unhappy in your present life. And the only small amount of comfort that you find is in telling yourself, don't worry, don't stress. I will be happy once I make my dreams come true. Well, saying that to yourself further confirms to your mind that you are not happy in the present moment. You wait and wait for the future to supply you with the happiness you so desperately desire, but what you don't realize is that a future-oriented mindset becomes habituated to always want to be in the future, to be happy. What happens when you fulfill one of your dreams? You are so accustomed to a future-oriented mindset that it becomes difficult to enjoy the realization of your dream, because by then your mind has already planned another ambitious desire to fulfill. Your life becomes a pattern of reaching and reaching for happiness, but never being able to fully enjoy it. Remember, happiness is not in obtaining everything you desire, but in appreciating everything you already have. Every destination you are determined to reach is more times than not pretty far from the present moment. Therefore, life is not about enjoying your destination, but about enjoying the journey. Learn to love what surrounds you now, in the present. Embrace it. Enjoy it. Let yourself be happy.
Te canta esta canción, conmigo está la banda, sí señor, don't worry.